What's guys, welcome back to the channel. So we have our January kit of the month from Salvinos. Honestly, I don't know what kit this is. I kind of forgot. They think they might have mentioned it, what kit it was, but I kind of forgot. So we're in here together and figure out what this is, and let's see what the heck it is. Looks like a next gen car, and yeah. Oh, okay. So championship from Kyle Larson, his 2025 championship Camaro. Oh, that's cool. So, cool. So we got his championship car. So we got that, and of course we got our free decals. Okay, so we got a sticker with a green checkered flag. That's like the stage, winning green color checker flag. That's pretty cool. So they got that. Then some decals. Looks like some decals we had already. This one we definitely gotten before. So yeah, this one I probably have like 3 or 4 of these decals already. So that's pretty cool. And I gotta do this car one of these days, one of these years, I just say. But we got that one. Once we got 3 decals in this version. We got another Richard Petty. This one is his newest car, 1992 Richard Petty for the Grand Prix. That's pretty cool. I don't have this one, so finally got his, basically his newest car he ran. So that's pretty cool. Like the quality of these decals are just insane. It's just Power Slide just absolutely does amazing stuff. And we got another Kyle Larson. This is going to be his 2024. Hendrick Motorsports car. This is his like blue and orange. This is his Indy car, I believe. So that's pretty cool. Look at neat. So we got 3 decals in this month, or last month I should say. So pretty cool. All right, onto the kit. So yeah, I kind of forgot about Kyle Larson's winning car, and they did this obviously, and this is pretty cool. And get this is gonna be the last kit of the Camaro Z01 with this particular like before they revised the front end. I don't know. I guess so. The Camaro, just in case you don't know, the Chevrolet or whatever, they were supposed to change the body style, but everybody was expecting them to change the body style, but they never changed the body style. They just updated like the quarter vent area, put a little fog light over here. They updated the headlights, stickers, and just the hood. So it's pretty much about the same. But so the Salvinos Jerry models, I don't think they had to change the body, but I think they had to make a new hood because the hood, like scoop, whatever the heck it is bigger, I guess, on the newer one. I honestly don't know. So, but this is pretty cool. So if you want a chance to get this newer or older body style from the Camaro, which is from 2022, this is gonna be your last kit to get that body style. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm sure nothing has changed. I mean, it's literally the same paint scheme he's been running for forever. But we'll open it up anyway and see what comes inside. Alrighty, so got box full. These next gen cars are pretty intense kits. Got a lot of windows on these cars. So we got that. Then we got your hood, your dash area, your small spoiler. So this is the part that I'm thinking they had to update. This bulge, I think, is bigger on the newer Camaro. Honestly, I don't know, but I know the hood is a little bit different, so that's probably the only thing they had to change. And probably they had to change the body because the body might be a little bit different on the front end. Honestly, I don't know. We'll have to wait and see when we get the kit. But yeah, nice Camaro body. Again from Salvinos models, their newest body, or their oldest body, I should say. This is their first next gen car they had, and pretty good. It's still kicking today, and there's a little bit of Mold 9 there, but yeah. So we got the Hendrick Motorsports blue, we got the slicks, and then a bunch of parts. If you never built these next gen cars from JR models, they're nice kits, but they are fiddly. There are a lot of fiddly parts, so make sure you do have some builds up your sleeve, because these are pretty fiddly kits, and some things might piss you off, some things, you know, so there's just tons of things, there's tons of kits, there's tons of parts in this kit, and it's a really nice kit at the end, but there are some things that you just gotta pay attention to, so make sure you keep your instructions, and then you'll be happy. So we got our decals in here. I think this has the white decals and stuff, so, but there's your decal placement. Pretty cool. And you get your final assembly on this side. Make it neat. So we get our, okay, so this will be the last kit with this particular like black sheet, you want to call it, they call it. Basically, like I said, only thing different I believe that I know of is this quarter like vent area, and then the headlights are a little different. Other than that, I think everything is exactly the same. So kind of, to me, I was kind of disappointed when they announced they're doing the Camaro again. It's like, but whatever. I'm not. It's a nice body style, nice body shape. And there is your Hendrick Motorsports paint scheme. Again, this is the same paint scheme basically since 2020, or since before the next gen. He's been running this in like what, like 2016, 17, 18, something like that, when the Kyle Larson switched to Hendrick Motorsports. So, but yeah, pretty cool. You got the Championship 4, then you get your carbon fiber for your hood. And of course, you got the yellow Kyle Larson badge because he's in the playoffs, and then you got your yellow for the spoiler. So that's that, and yeah, pretty nice decal sheet. And then of course you do have your white on here for the Hendrick Motorsports, and then that way you don't have to paint the white. And then you get your trunk on here. That's different. That's definitely different, I believe. So that's pretty cool. And then you get your gas cap thing there. So I believe last year, which was 25, that's when they started using the different color like gas surrounds, because you used to only use green, but I've been seeing like red, yellow, blue even. So I guess they can switch up the gas color cap surround thing, you want to call it these days. But hey, pretty cool kit. I'm pretty happy. And yeah, so really cool kit. So again, this is gonna be the last kit for the older style of the Camaro. But I believe they said they already have the molds for the new Camaro. They have sent, I think last week, they sent the kit to Craig Clamp. That way Craig Clamp can make the headlights and stuff and get that decal sheet going. But I don't think as much has to change because it's simply the same car. But alright guys, that's it. This is the January kit of the month, and this is a good one, really good one. Kyle Larson has gotten Championship 4 or Championship last year. Some people were thinking, some people were kind of pissed off that he won. Some people were kind of glad, but hey, pretty cool. His second championship winning car, or yeah, he's a number 2 championship winning car or winning person. So pretty cool. But alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you next time.